Can you see me? I'm back here. I'm back behind the fudge. Hey guys, how are you? Merry Christmas. This year for Christmas, I'm gonna share a recipe that I've never tried before, but my friend Linda just sent it over to me. It's called $1 Million Fudge. And see, Stormy wants some already. Hi, baby. You know, at Christmas, I love fudge. I love cookies. I love candy. I love to put on an extra 20 pounds in this area. So let's make some fudge. Okay, let me show you the ingredients. Here we go. Okay, you want 2 sticks of butter, some vanilla, a can of evaporated milk, 16 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I have a big bag here because I'm gonna do 2 batches. And then you want 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, or like 1 small bag of mini marshmallows. And you need a cup of sugar. I forgot. Whoops. So we're gonna start off by putting a cup of sugar in this pan, and we're gonna make a little. Sorry. And then you're going to put it in a greased pan, like this one. 17.5 by 12. I'm gonna cook everything in this kind of Dutch oven sort of thing because I think the temperature would be more consistent. Or if you have like copper, ooh, that would be the best, you know? But what am I, Martha Stewart? Okay, this is the important part. You want to put the sugar in the pan and you're gonna melt it with the butter. And as soon as it boils, you are gonna put a timer on for 7 minutes. You can't go 1 second over, y'all, because if you do, you're gonna ruin Christmas! Okay, the butter's in. I'm gonna put my cup of sugar. And where's my wooden spoon? Use a wooden spoon. I'm just gonna keep an eye on this. Medium-high heat, I think, yeah. I don't know, y'all. Then we're gonna open this can of milk and pour that in as well. This seems easy so far. Whoops, everything's in. And again, as soon as this boils, set a timer for 7 minutes. And you're gonna keep stirring this continually. By the way, I just reached 2,000 subscribers this week, so that is a Merry Christmas indeed, you guys. Thank you so much for joining the channel and subscribing. And be sure to share this with your friends if you haven't already. We have a lot of fun over here, okay? I mean, usually we travel, but I do like to eat, so let's check on this fudge. Okay, it's starting to boil, so run your ass over to the thing. Timer 7 minutes. Action. And then we just want to keep stirring this the whole time. I've just got it at like medium. So hopefully this turns out. Don't look at my bananas. And while I'm waiting, I just like to chug eggnog. Because it's Christmas. What are some of your Christmas traditions? Tell me in the comments below. Or if you don't do Christmas, that's okay too, of course. I mean, what do you do at the holidays when everyone else is being crazy? Do you just drink heavily? Okay, as soon as that alarm goes off, you turn this heat off. Oh, it's time! Off. Cut it off the heat. Now, add the chocolate chips. 1 cup. I need 2 hands. Not very good at this. 2 cups. Okay, you want to put the vanilla in after it's cooked. So that's like about a teaspoon or so. And just stir. Don't splash this in your face and you'll go blind permanently. It's very hot. Okay, I don't know how to read, so it's 18 ounces of chocolate chips. I just put a little bit more in. And it is runny right now, so I think you just gotta keep stirring. And I'm just gonna hope to Santa Claus that it just sets hard. God, I'm so stupid. I didn't read the instructions, you guys. I didn't read them. I never do. I never read shit right. It was supposed to be 4.5 cups of sugar. I put 1 cup of sugar. So this is, let's start this again. Okay. 4.5 cups of sugar, a can of milk, and 2 sticks of butter. See, now this looks much better than the last time. Good Lord. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I guess I could turn it into like a hot fudge sauce for someone. Add some sweetened condensed milk and then put it in a can. Yeah, I could do that. See, look at me saving Christmas. I'm a miracle worker. I'm so stupid. I don't know how to do things that involve baking or sugar, cooking. I mean, I can eat it, no problem. Everybody focus. Focus. Let's go over the ingredients one more time. Ready? Okay. 4.5 cups of sugar. 1 can of evaporated milk, 12 ounces. 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, which I've already used half of. Teaspoon of vanilla. And 18 ounces of semi-sweet chocolate chips. So that's 1 16-ounce bag plus 2 ounces because I do math. So now that we've got that out of the way, oh, that needs something in it. Maybe this is called $1 Million Fudge because you spend $1 million remaking it over and over again till you get it right, you know? So how's your day going? What's new? It's Christmas Eve. I've already asked you your traditions, but I'm gonna ask you again because I'm killing time. Okay, see, this is looking better. It's like getting foamy. Okay, we're good. Again, do not forget, when this bubbles, we must do 7 minutes on the clock and stir constantly. Misty? So do you see this like big ass box? My brother sent me something for Christmas. Do you want to see what came in this humongous ass box? There's my cat for reference. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! It's this tiny little stained glass light. It's like the size of a shoe. I don't know, but yeah, I guess you needed the real big box. But isn't that's something, all right. Look at that little bird. Oh, there. It's a mess in here, don't look. Oh no, it's bubbling. I can't. Okay, 7 minutes. Ah, God, please. What do you mean start? Oh no, it's the microwave. Timer 700. Whoa. Gosh, I better use this pan now. God, it's a good thing I bought 2 of these, huh? I have to do that though, because I screw shit up easily. I screw shit up every time. Oh, also, have I shown you guys this? It's straight from Blanche's kitchen from the Golden Girls. And yes, it looks like a big old dick, but it's a lobster, and there's a cock below it. Okay, 6 minutes. Oh, this is so easy, so simple. Okay, I've added 2 1/4 cup of chocolate chips, the 7 ounces of marshmallow cream, the vanilla, and now we're gonna stir. Oh, that smells so good. Okay, this feels right. This feels totally different than last time. Okay, we're good. I got it now. Okay, be right back. I'm gonna pour it in the pan. I need both hands. This thing weighs 250 pounds. Okay, I've got that in there. Just kind of shimmy it. Let's add our Heath chips on top. I guess you could mix this in, yeah, but I think I want it on top. You know? Okay, the fudge has been in the fridge for an hour, and now we're going to cut into it. Are you excited? What's not to be excited about when it comes to fudge? Here it is. Does this look delish? It's really heavy. Time to cut this. I mean, this will make a lot of fudge. I'm gonna cut it in maybe smaller pieces. I'm just gonna take a little corner off. Let's see. You see that? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Mm. 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 Mm-hmm. Oh, that's a good fudge. That's oh, it's sweet. It is buttery. The Heath bar. Oh, that makes a nice little crunchy topper on it. This is really good. This did not cost $1 million, but it's worth it. You know, it's velvety. It's not, you know, you don't taste the granulated sugar. It's nice and smooth. And this is a thinner fudge. I guess if you wanted to, you could do half the size of a pan, but I don't know if it would sit as well, or set as well, you know? Because this is the perfect consistency. But this probably makes what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I don't do math. So if you have like a party, this is great. Cut this up, put this in a platter. This made about 60 pieces. 60 pieces! This would be good for neighbor gifts. I mean, it just slides right out of there. So, yes. The $1 million fudge. It was a hit. I'll tell you that. So you should certainly try this recipe out. And I just want to say again, Merry Christmas, you guys. Thanks for coming along with me this year, for supporting the channel. Oh, it's been a very trying year for me. And I know that I was a little lax on the traveling videos this year, but we're gonna just try again next year. Try and do it again. Can you see me? I'm back here. I'm back behind the fudge. Here I am. Ooh, this looks delicious. See, this makes a shit ton of fudge, you guys. You gotta make this recipe. This is great for a party, y'all. So again, thank you for coming along with me today. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. Happy Yule. Whatever you celebrate, make sure that you have a good one, okay? And we will see you very soon. Until I see you guys next time, remember, keep it paranormal and keep it full of fudge.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. Fa la 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. Fa la 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. Fa la 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la. Follow me in merry measure. Fa la 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 la. While I tell of Yuletide treasure. Fa la 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 la. Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses. Fa la 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 la.